Hello everyone, Barb here from barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com. This is video number 2 in my 3-video series featuring the Stars and Sparkles Scrapbooking Workshop from Close to My Heart. I've already done a video on this one. This is project 1, and today we're going to work on project 2. These are the instructions that come with your workshop. Very high quality, beautiful pictures, nice glossy paper, and this is what it looks like when you get to the instructions. The top picture shows you their sample, and then down below it is sort of there's like a film, like if you put a piece of vellum over the top of it, it's a little lighter, and this gives you instructions and tells you which pieces they're calling for, and it gives you some measurements on there, and it also has the assembly instructions over to the side. I am going to fast forward this to make it more of a process video. I think those are fun to watch when it really moves along, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, I have made my way through a lot of the second page layout, basically the same stuff going on. Here I've got these stickers that they want us to use over here, so I'm just sticking them on there. They're showing some different stuff, but I'm just winging it. And you've got a little blue there. That should be fine. I did all the little banner things. And then there's this little, let's see if I can find it. Fell on the floor. Go figure. So there was a little journal box that was part of the punch out. And I'm just going to put it over here. And then again with our sticker sheet full of all of these adorable stickers, we've got this big heart. And we'll kind of tuck you up there. And then some more of these little bitty stars that sometimes it's hard to see on there. So you just have to scour around. They're sprinkled all over the place. So you just have to keep your eye peeled so you can see them. And then three more of those star accents. Round those bad boys up, and I again am going to use glue because I find that they stay better with the glue. And there's one here, I think that's 3, and let's see, let's do a silver one. We'll do a silver one up here, and a blue one here on the heart, partially on the heart. Can we do that? Yep. and then a pretty red one off down here. Oh, well, that is not working. I think I want that to be a little closer to the edge. And it's okay, this glue dries clear, so I'm not too worried about it. There, just like that. Close enough. Close enough for government work. Okay. I will bring back in both of the pages so you can see what they look like. Here we go. Right here. Isn't that pretty? So beautiful, so vibrant. I just love these colors. I love it. I took this sticker and I put it on a piece of paper. Just stuck it to the paper and trimmed it out. This truck could have done the same thing with that, but I just slapped it down. These pages did call for using some of the texture paste, putting a little cloud of it here, maybe a little up here. I didn't do that. I skipped that step. You don't have to do all of those things if you don't want to. I'll show you this. Super cute. This one, the picture will just have to be a little smaller and will fit right in there, no problem. I can also put a journaling box in there if I have some more to write about. And that's it. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will give this scrapbook workshop, Stars and Sparklers from Close to My Heart, a try. Have a blessed crafty day, and I'll see you next time.